Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, esteemed spiritual leaders, and friends. Sawadee Namaste, and Kuzazangpala. It is a great honor to be here today, united in our shared commitment to peace, sustainability, and interfaith harmony. Bhutan deeply values this opportunity to contribute to the global conversation on the century of the Dharma, a vision of the universal responsibility and interdependent sustainability. His Majesty the King of Bhutan reminds us that true peace is not just the absence of conflict, but the presence of unity, trust, and shared responsibility. Bhutan's vision is to build on these values, ensuring that religious and cultural diversity is a strength, not a source of division. In today's interconnected world, challenges like climate change and social discord threatens our collective well-being. The teachings of Sanatana Dharma and the Buddhism offers timeless wisdom, ahimsa, non-violence, compassion, and the shared duty to protect nature and all sentient beings. This holistic development model, gross national happiness, GNH, which prioritizes spiritual well-being, environmental conservation, and sustainable growth. Bhutan is proud to be the world's only carbon-negative country, with over 70% of our land as a forest, absorbing more carbon than we produce. This is not just policy, it is our sacred duty. His Majesty's vision for Gelfu Mindfulness City embodies these values, integrating sustainability, economic resilience, and spiritual well-being. Equally important is Bhutan's model for religious harmony. While Buddhism is the predominant religion in the country, Hinduism has the royal and legal support reflected in national holidays, temple construction, and recognition of Hindu Dharma Samudaya. This inclusivity is not just tolerance, it is mutual respect and shared celebration. A beautiful example is the Dasai festival, where His Majesty the King, Her Majesty the Queen, and His Royal Highnesses the Gyaltse personally participate in the Tikka ceremony, reaffirming Bhutan's deep respect for all faiths. Even our spiritual traditions are interwoven. Hindu deities like Durga are revered in Buddhism as a Peldenhamu, fostering deep mutual respect. This harmony is a vision nurtured by Bhutan's monarchs, from His Majesty the Fourth Duke Gelpo, declaring Dasai as a national holiday, to His Majesty the King, continue to support for religious unity. His Majesty reminds us that the world is one family. We all face the same challenges, seek the same security, and aspire to the same peace. In the time of global division, Bhutan remains committed to non-violence, compassion, and spiritual prosperity, values deeply rooted in both Hinduism and Buddhism. We must move beyond materialism and work together toward an ethical, sustainable, and peaceful future. As Bhutan moves forward, guided by Dharma, sustainability, and peaceful coexistence, we invite the world to join hands in upholding dignity, protecting nature, and fostering interfaith harmony. Let Bhutan's model serve as an inspiration where culture and religious diversity is not just challenged to overcome, but a strength to celebrate. Together, through compassion and cooperation, we can build a world where peace and prosperity are not just dreams, but lasting realities. Thank you, and Tashtele.